Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to record and add a voiceover directly inside CapCut for PC. It's super easy and perfect for YouTube videos, tutorials, or narration. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to add a voiceover to. You can also create a new project if you're starting fresh. Step 2. On the lower timeline area, click the Audio tab. Then click on Voiceover. It's usually shown with a microphone icon. Step 3. Now position the playhead where you want the voiceover to begin. Press the red record button and start speaking into your mic. You'll see the audio waveform appear in real time. Once done, press the stop button. Step 4. Your voiceover will now appear in the timeline. You can trim it, adjust the volume, or even add fade in and out effects. Bonus tip: make sure you're in a quiet space and use a decent mic for the best voice quality. You can re-record as many times as needed. Just delete the old one and try again. And that's how you record and add a voiceover in CapCut PC. Easy, right? If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick guides like this. See you next time!